Okay.
In America.
So, how should we start off senior year?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
It has to be fun though.
Yeah, I know, it does. But,
Like, we should do like film. Like, film it. Take pictures and film it.
yeah, we should. Huh?
I can be the
But I'm
photographer.
not gonna take pictures.
Oh, come on, please.
I don't take good pictures though.
Please.
But I don't.
This is for senior year. What?
Whoops, my bad!
Okay.
America.
Anyway, what now?
I wanna take photos because it's for senior year.
So you're saying you need a model. Oh.
Not a model. You're my best friend, so.
Yeah, but you're my first. I'm not taking very good photos though. I mean, if you just look at me.
Come on. We're going to. I'm gonna be the photographer.
How come I can't be one?
You can, but after I take a picture of everyone else.
But that's not fair.
Bazinga.
That is fair, because I
Bazinga.
want to be a photographer.
It's still not fair.
Still, I want to be the photographer. I like being behind it.
It's not fair.
I prefer behind the camera.
But it's not fair because I don't like being behind the camera either.
Behind the camera, you're gonna be in front of it.
But I don't want to be in front of it though.
Well, you are. Too bad.
I don't want to be.
Too bad you are going to be in there.
You know what? I had enough of this.
Challenge
Don't walk away from me.
But still, I don't
know what the heck is going on. Why am I even here?
Why are you here?
I don't know.
Get out of here. You're on the wrong set, man.
Yeah.
Anyways, just saying.
So I'm gonna be the photographer. Photographer.
Photographer. What the heck is a photographer?
A photographer for our senior year.
But it's not fair.
Okay, you could be the video recorder camera person.
You mean the director?
No, I'm the director.
I'm
the director.
That's what it is. The person who records videos.
You are the assistant to the director.
Well, at least I'm part-time manager.
You don't get paid though.
Fine, I don't want to get paid.
I'm getting paid. You pay me to do this.
Challenge accepted.
Too bad, and you'll have to work for me for the rest of your life.
Chocolate.
We have 107 years to go.
Chocolate.
Quit getting off your phone.
Give me my phone.
No.
I leaked it now. Facebook.
Phone's not even supposed to be on.
30 minutes.
Anyways. The heck? Tattoos?
Yeah, Andy.
Tattoos? Really?
30 minutes.
Tattoos. She's got tattoos.
Come
Look.
on, it's fine.
Their Facebook picture.
Yeah, but still, I don't like that. She's pretty.
Anyway, you like
Get on that!
What? Oh, look! I like that horse. It's so pretty.
I like popcorn.
You ever dance with the devil in the pale moonlight? Everyone!
Popcorn's good.
Punch!
Where's my popcorn? Now we gotta pick this up.
You gotta pick it up.
You're the guy. My
Hey!
I've been so lonely, girl, I've been so sad down. Don't understand why haters joke around.
Anyways,
Moving free with other people
I can
like
do
me,
it
and I got vibration.
Anyways,
'Cause I know that I'm a
I'm
Can't fish, y'all.
you're just a photographer.
I'm the director slash photographer.
Not fair.
Yeah.
Oh, Elizabeth. It's not fun.
Get out of here, Dewey.
It's not fair. It's not fair.
Can you quit with the sound effects?
We're going on 4 minutes and 17 seconds. Almost 5 minutes. Ay, caramba.
Jesus.
Good news, everyone.
What?
Great success.
Okay.
Great Scott!
You failed at that.
But you just put it to the side.
Fox!
I failed at that.
I'm a
I look
perfect
weird.
angel.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Nobody's perfect.
God is perfect.
Have you heard of the Hannah Montana song?
Apple!
Yes, and I hate Hannah Montana.
Hey, high
Yeah, me
five!
too, but
Pull
gay.
it! Pull it!
She really is.
Oh, that's really cool.
So is Lindsay Lohan.
I'll do what I want!
Draggy. But she's
I'll do
gay.
what I want! What are you doing? I just wanted to cuddle.
She married a girl who was a leader for peanut
I
butter.
don't want to live on this planet anymore.
That's fascinating.
I'm gonna make him an offer
Why are you using my big words? I'm the one that's good
I'm
here.
badass.
Oh my goodness! Why do you have to be British accent?
I'm also a vampire.
Yeah, go away, vampire.
Internet is hard porn. Grab your dick and double click for porn. I hate the internet. The internet is for internet is for internet is for porn. Yeah.